Want to make restaurant-quality sushi at home? Today, I'll show you 4 easy and delicious rolls you can make in just 10 minutes. Let's go. First up, grilled salmon and crab. Start with rice and nori. Leave top edge empty. Add masago. Lettuce. Crab. And grilled salmon. Roll tightly. Wet the nori edge with water to seal it. Tuck in the sides to make it tight. First, trim the ends, then cut the roll into 10 pieces. To keep the roll looking perfect, use a very sharp knife. Simple and tasty. Add spicy mayo, it's a game changer. Next, sesame shrimp roll. Trim the top strip of the nori sheet. Spread the rice. Leave space at the bottom, but go past the top edge. Sprinkle the rice with sesame seeds. Carefully flip the sheet over so the rice is on the bottom. Add cream cheese. Add shrimp. Cucumber. And avocado. Roll it up tight and tuck in the ends. Cut into 10 even pieces. Number 3 is my favorite, seared Philadelphia. Repeat the steps from roll number 2. Trim the edge, spread the rice leaving the bottom empty, and extend it over the top. Flip it over. Add cream cheese, cucumber and avocado. Roll it up. it with thin slices of salmon. Cut into 10 pieces. Now the best part, sear the salmon with a torch to give it that smoky flavor. Drizzle with teriyaki sauce and sprinkle with sesame seeds. And finally, salmon and wakame. Just like before, trim the nori, leave a gap at the bottom, and spread the rice over the top edge. Flip it over so the nori is on top. Add cream cheese, salmon. Add the cucumber strips and roll it tight. Top with seaweed salad. Cover with plastic wrap to hold everything in place while cutting. Amazing rolls ready to serve. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more sushi secrets.